October 21st, and this is the London Review. Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trading Academy. And yesterday was a day, this morning was a day full of news. We had like 19 folders on GBP, like 5 or 6 of them were red folders. That's a no trade day at Trading Academy. And I don't trade either. I mean, I try not to. I mean, unfortunately for us, I mean, it just went in one direction. I mean, it could go, when news happen, it could go up, it could go down, it could go up, it could go down. But I guess all the news were positive for JBP, and USD was weak. And so price just shot up and kept on going. I slept through it all, woke up just in time to see gold moving, retesting a zone that I had broken out, took that. So that is the one trade for the day, and I'm going to chill. It's been a nice rainy day here in South Florida. Good day for a little cup of coffee and hanging out, maybe doing some videos and testing, some back testing stuff. And that's it. Let's go to what happened last night.
All right. So this is GBP USD as I had it last night. Again, we noticed the downtrend that it has been in, but it's kind of wedging, right? The price action is moving up, even though it's not creating new highs. It is creating higher lows. And so we have it wedged, and we see how price has not been able to get across or above that horizontal line. It's just lining up perfect for a either rejection and break to the bottom of the trend line or break through the top. I mean, the top may not look like a correct trend line, but on the 4 hour, which is a higher time frame that I like, it is exactly accurate. So, and of course, again, like I said, news was coming. You can see all those red folders down there. That's 20 folders right there, and there were like 5 of them um, were red, or 5 or 6 were red. So I anticipated that it could be a violent night that would not necessarily be to our advantage. So, but this is what happened. This is the results, and as you can see, it shot up. I mean, it broke right through. If you zoom all the way in, you can see that it broke the horizontal line and then came back to retest it on that red candle, and then it broke right through the wedge and on and on and on, and it went for 207 pips. I don't think that is done yet, guys. I think that may still be pushing up further, and there might be some continuation in the days to come. So I'm looking forward to that actually, because we do have a couple of swing potential positions that will come active once that thing moves a little higher. But it is unfortunate that we didn't catch that. But again, it is unusual for a news day to go in just one direction. Usually, when there are news, there are positive news and there are negative news, right? And the market goes up and comes down, goes up and comes down, and you don't ever know which direction is really going to go. And so, sleeping for me was the best option and keeping my money safe. And this is gold as I had it last night. And again, gold had been coming up and it ran into resistance there. And you can see how it's not been able to go above that line. It keeps bumping against it, keeps bumping against it. But if GBP is going to be going up, then it's likely that the gold is going to be going up. And if the dollar doesn't get super strong, we may be looking at new highs on gold. So that was the line that I had last night. Again, I wasn't really going to be paying much attention to it because I was going to bed, but there was that line right there that may come into play. And so it just turns out that when I woke up, gold had broken out, had broken up above, and had saw the new highs, and then was coming down for that retest. I mean, I woke up just in time to see that retest happening. And as I was touching that line, I went ahead and jumped in for a buy to the upside. And in fact, I think that went and it tested the high. It actually tested the high, the close of the high. But I didn't hold it all that long. I just took my portion, as I often do, and went my merry way. I mean, that took all of maybe 5 minutes. I mean, it was ridiculous. That's how quick it is. And that's how quick it is with gold. It's also dangerous to play with gold. But again, gold is very good at retesting zones. Like once, eventually it comes back to retest it, right? It may not be for several days that it comes back to retest it, but it does. It is good at at retesting it, and once it retested, it is a good position to take consistently. Consistently, that's how it works. So that's what I did. These are the results from that trade, and again, like I mentioned, that was just very easy. It was very easy to take. It was pushing against it, and you could tell on the lower time frame that it was not being successful at breaking through. So again, very easy trade to take because if it breaks to the bottom and closes down below, then you're out. And but the out is right there, just below that resistance line. The out is right there. While the potential to the upside is infinite. There's no limit to how high it can go, at least to the high, right? We expect it's going to go to the high. So benefit to me is I was able to sleep last night, not be worried about the news, and still caught something this morning.
Welcome back. So as you can tell, it was an unusual news night in that it only went in one direction, and we missed out on a massive, massive move. But the market always provides great opportunities. It's gonna be here tomorrow. It's gonna be here the next day, and there is no sense in putting your money at risk when there's volatility of the kind in the market that is related to news. That's not something that you can control which way it is going to go. Best to let the dust settle and be able to take a look at what's happening, and which is basically what I did with gold. Gold is moving up, 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 up while I'm sleeping. I'm not even worried about it. I'm not even aware of it. And I wake up just in time to see it retesting, okay? And as I catch that retest, I made my money for the day, even though I slept through the night. So again, no sense in putting your money at risk when news is happening, which is why we don't trade when there are fundamentals such as that one that are potentially very dangerous to your account. Again, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trade Trading Academy. And I hope that you're receiving value from what you're seeing. And if so, please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.